Hello. And I don't really know what's happening. Well, anyway, I know that I have not updated yet. Well, done any videos. That just makes me very sad. So, sorry, I'm just leveling my chair. So today we're gonna be doing Try Not to Laugh to make me feel better. So let's get into it. If I laugh, I lose. Oh, I just squeaked. Oh my god. I think that counts. Oh my god, no. Oh, jeez. Watch out. Watch out, watch out. Oh. Oh my god. I think that might have been counted. Come on. No, no. No, 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 no. Oh, I know the song. Oh, oh, oh. That's not a try not to laugh. That's a try not to. It's try. Oh my. No, that's bad. Oh my god, that kick. Oh my god. No, that's not supposed to be in this video. Get smacked in the head. Yep, of course. I know these. Classics. By the way, just so you know, it might seem that I'm looking at the camera, but I'm actually not. I have no point. So I'm actually looking at the screen, but I'm also looking at the camera. Or I might be looking away from the screen, but I'm actually looking at the camera. It's a weird thing. Oh, come on. That's not safe. It's not safe. Yep, that's what happens. I said that's not safe. 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 No, don't jump. Yeah, that's what happens. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. Ooh, ooh. Look at this boy. Look at this dude. Ooh, that hurts. I've done that kind of stuff before. Yeah, he's okay. He's okay. He's just a little bit too big. That's the only thing. That is the only thing. Wait, one second. I'm just gonna move my. No, I can't move it. Whatever. Oh, sorry guys, I was glitching out really badly. No, 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 no. Yes, that's what happens. No, this is getting pretty weird. Yep. That was weird and painful. And that's what happens when you have a trampoline that has holes in it. And that's what happens when you don't. And that's what happens when you don't pay attention in a whatever in public. And this is what happens when a cat tries to be a hamster. And that's what happens when you have a console that cats like. I'm just saying excuses. And that's what happens when you go too fast. My God. Ow. Ooh. That's bad. How much more time? It's like 5 more minutes. Yep. That is not painful. Ski. Yep.
Huh?
Oh my God, I keep putting my face up to it. That's what happens. Nope. Good job. And that's, you never try to escape. Just never do that. Guys, you never do that. If you ever do, then you're dead to me. Hey, Magic 8 Ball, if you try to get into a car when the window's open, does that mean that you're dead to me? Without a doubt, that it says yes. So you guys do never, ever do that. And that's, yeah, those things are very dangerous, yeah. Yep, and there you go. There you go. There you go. That's how you get killed. Yeah, drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it. Yeah, drink it. Drink it! Hi, Dad. I'm just making a video.
Are you? Cool.
Yep.
Right on.
It's very funny. And very weird. Nope. Perfect timing. And hit your heads on the rocks, boys. Oh my God. That's trying to say on challenge. And that's how to never do a dunk. Unless it's just trying to do slow motion or nope. Oh my God, one sec. One flippin' suck. Yeah, that's how I break your neck. And that's not how, and that's how you're never supposed to do that. Good luck. Yeah, it's gonna hit the boy, isn't it? It's gonna hit the boy. No, he's just gonna fall over. Good job, you tried. Okay, I guess that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys had a good time, and make sure to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment since I haven't got one on. Okay, bye. I also have one thing to tell you. Please like and subscribe.